Hello, you bunch of cloudheads. Vaping Big here with another review. This is not a promotion or a sell. You have to be of legal smoking vaping age to be interested in these products. So yeah, I'm gonna take a look at the Oxva Xlim Go Lite sent by Oxva to me. I got the 3 ml version. There is a 2 ml version as well. They sent me a beautiful pink one. I think they thought, well, brings out the color in his eyes. So yeah, big claim here. One charge, 2 days of use. You have to consider that up to 2 days of use. You will probably be using the 1.2 ohm coil if you want 2 days of use of that. It comes with the 0.8 cartridge there. We also have a 0.6 and a 0.4 available. Yeah, what colors is this available in? I'll put that on the screen there. So yeah, there are some decent colors there for you to pick. This is now the cheapest pod system on the market. It claims to have a 1000 mAh battery, 3 ml refillable pod, adjustable airflow, and RGB indicator. Well, let's dive into that little box here. There we go. Take the little pod kit out. Here. Just quite a simple package. There is a little manual as well. There we go. You won't be needing this if you watch my video, of course. Yeah, let's take a look at the cartridge itself. I got the 3 ml cartridge. So a little tab there. You can see the coiled wicking ports for 0.8. Those are quite huge wicking ports. So yeah, you could use your freebase or your nic salt in there. Here are the statistics on the bottom there. So the recommended wattages are also written here. You got your 2 contact points and your magnets there. Yeah, let's fill this little puppy up with some liquid. Oh, you got a big tab here. You can just up and open it, close it, push the little thing in there. So yeah, it's quite easy because mine's already folded. I don't know how that happened though. For as a liquid, I'm going to use some Just Juice from the dessert line, key lime pie. I heard some good stories, so I'm dying to test that out. If we can get it open, there we go. Boom. Let's just push it in. I always like when filling my pot, I'll take it out of the device. I prefer it that way. But this is the first time filling this pot. You need to let it sit for 5 minutes at least to let that cotton saturate that coil. This coil utilizes the Unitech 2.0 technology. Yeah, which is actually a mesh coil surrounded by 5 layers of cotton and perfectly aligned to ensure that you get the best liquid absorption rate and even distributed heat technology. So yeah, the fibers are aligned correctly even. So yeah, well, Xlim pods are like top tier in terms of flavor and vapor, already known for years. So yeah, there is no doubt you can easily run 30 ml of liquids to one pod before the taste starts wearing down, or maybe even starts tasting burnt. Depends on what aromas are in your liquid and what is your vaping style, of course. I'm a little bit annoyed by that folded rubber there. It seems to seal it off correctly still, so no issues there. Let's look at the device. It's yeah, quite simple, manufactured out of PCTG. Yeah, a little bit branding. You got some racing dots there. You got a rubber base. This is not a button, but it has an RGB light on there. So probably when I put a pod in there, you'll see it's already start blinking green. Of course, the light color, the color of that light will indicate the level of your battery, which I just put in the screen. While I'm putting stuff in the screen, let's put some statistics as well. So yeah, then you got your airflow here on the side there. It's focusing alright. So as you can see, I have a big hole now, and if I turn it up, you have a small hole for MTL. So this is MTL, and this is basically restrictive direct lung. You can tone that down a bit by moving and adjusting it, and it's quite sturdy airflow. Look, if I rub it, it doesn't move at all, so there's no issues there. You got your 2 contact points there and 2 magnets. So yeah, this device is aimed at somebody who's still smoking or using a disposable, beginner, very beginner friendly and very low cost to, yeah, it's easy to step into an open system like that. So yeah, this base, you know, sometimes you get some condensation in there. Make sure you clean that out with a little napkin or some cotton balls, whatever your preference. Yeah, of course you got your USB-C charging port right there. It has a 1000 mAh battery, and yeah, it should charge fully in about 45 to 60 minutes. So yeah. So for the coils, there are some coils available in yeah, 3 ml and 2 ml variants for TPD reasons. And yeah, basically all there is to, oh yeah, almost forgot. This thing is also, as they say on the website, very soothing to touch. So you can practice your touching things. It should be very soothing to like rub it like that. It does remind me of something that I can't say on YouTube, but yeah, it does feel nice, but it should be relieving stress or something. Yeah, I'm immune to those kind of things though. So let's just dive on top and vape on it. On top with the Oxva Go Lite. Let's try out this Xlim Line Pie. Ooh. Yeah, that's a nice, refreshing summer dessert there. I do like the simplicity, the minimalistic of this device. You got your nice little rubby thing there to relieve you from some stress. Does feel nice, but don't think it will work on me. If you have used the stress relieving little bump there, yeah, share the experience in the comments. Does it work for you or doesn't? Other than that, it's a very light device. The airflow is really nice. Let's that was half closed. Let's do it fully open. Flavor is amazing. I have always gotten very good flavor of these coils. The coil life is also great. At least 30 ml is easy. Nice and smooth. It's nice. It's very light. You could use it hands-free. Not bad. Don't know what's wrong with my little pulling tab, but it makes it pulling even easier as usual. So no complaints there. I think this is a perfect device for somebody who yeah, wants to get, is still smoking or is using a disposable and wants to get into an open device. Yeah, doesn't want to spend that much on a device. This is a good way to, for a low price, get a high-end tier pod kit, at least flavor and experience wise. Not too many whistles and bells on it, so it's not that hard to use. Does the color match my eyes? So yeah, nice product there, Oxva. Of course, always bang on with Oxva. I just used that key lime pie, pretty amazing as well. So yeah, This is basically my show and tell, a little review about the Oxva Xlim Go Lite. I do hope you like my review, and yeah, like, share and subscribe, and remember, vape life matters.